It is my great honor and privilege to welcome you all at the first IAP and PSOA International Insurance Conference.
Insurance is fundamentally, at a very basic level, a simple promise. A promise to support an individual, a family, that we're there to ensure the resilience of a business and that we're there to ensure the continued progress of an economy.
Now, for us, Pakistan, there are two existential risks. We talk about it, we write about it, we're doing something about it. One is the population, and the other is climate.
We recognize that the insurance sector, especially amid the economic, climate, and geopolitical challenges today, is playing a vital role in the federal government's vision of reviving the economy.
And we need to think about this in a number of ways. Not just the impact of flooding or of wind on the asset itself, but also how do operations and systems need to change in the context of climate change?
The Government of recognizes the important contribution of the insurance industry and the pivotal role that it plays in supporting economic activity.
This conference is particularly important for us when we, as actuaries, collaborate with the insurance profession. And these type of collaborations would be required and will need to grow in the future to become resilient and sustainable.
The future of Pakistan's insurance sector is extremely bright and will be defined by stronger institutions, better risk management, greater public trust, and talented professionals committed to serving the public interest.
Thank you all for your presence, your support, and your commitment. We wish you a productive and engaging conference ahead. Thank you, and Pakistan Zindabad.